Hi guys!
Am I supposed to say hi?
Yes. This is my friend Mal, as you might have seen in our vlogs. She's in them quite a lot.
Hi.
And today we are doing the blindfolded makeup challenge because we felt like it and we've seen videos and they're funny. So that's what we're going to do. This is a long scarf.
It's very thick.
Can you see?
Nope. My eyeballs are crunched though.
Let me just wrap it around one more time.
Okay.
Concealer?
Do first, yeah. There's something in
I see it. I see it. Okay.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Where do you want me to put it on you?
Like
Tell me if it's
under my
squeezing
eyes.
out.
It's not squeezing out. Okay. Like under my eyes.
Alright, let me find your face. Okay, this is going to be very difficult. I hope this is under your eye.
You're doing good.
Sorry if I keep
Ow,
poking
it's
you.
alright.
You can use it on me after.
Okay. It might be a little light. I think I just spit on your face.
Oh no.
Oh, wow.
I've never touched your face this much. Oops.
Doesn't it feel weird touching someone's face?
Yes. I really never touched anyone's face like this before. Oh god. Alright, I think it's all rubbed in.
Okay.
Maybe I should have felt your face first.
Yeah, maybe.
What is that?
That's my chin. Oh, my neck chin. That's my mouth. Okay, blush. Same thing.
I have to rub it a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I feel handicapped.
Doing a good job.
I am?
Mm-hmm. All right. Oh my god! Okay.
I might pee my pants. Don't do
it. Here's some highlight.
Where does this go? On your cheek.
Yeah.
Underneath the blush.
On like your T-zone.
Is this right here?
Yep.
I think it's T-zone.
Like make a T on your face, like down your nose and.
Okay. My phone.
You're only on my right side of my nose.
My phone just went off.
There you are on the right side of my nose again.
Oh.
I'm gonna have some shininess on the right side of my face.
What is this?
It's like eyeshadow. I ran it on my eye pencil. Eyebrow. You're so aggressive.
Is it this color?
No, no.
I'll go slower.
Okay.
So. This one?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yep.
Fuzzy.
Mouse, you didn't feel where my eyebrow was.
Yeah, I thought that was my finger.
What? Oh my god, it looks like an old hag. Eyeliner.
On the top of your eye.
Yeah.
Make sure you keep your eyeballs shut.
Okay.
Wait,
This is like, this is an e.l.f. one, so it's, the brush is very, very
my
bendable.
finger.
Nope.
this.
Okay.
Okay.
It's okay.
I really can't find your face.
That's what you say before you do it? It's okay. Oh no.
What?
I don't know.
I need to fit in here, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Is it out?
Yep.
Okay.
Under my eye. You're not above it.
I love it now.
I don't know. Make your mark.
There's the brush. I can't even. Oh.
How far does my eye go?
I was trying to do a winged out eye.
Oh. Ah!
What?
You're like in the crevice of it. That's what I'm saying. Here.
Oh no, I feel like it got on my hand.
That's my nose.
Oh.
That's my eyebrow.
Alright, let's try it again.
That's my eyebrow again.
Oh, blind people do makeup.
You are doing my eyebrow right now.
Okay.
Okay.
Now what do I get to do?
Oh my god. Wow.
I'm gonna be all blurry. Is it open already?
Yep. Wow, I didn't know my lip was that big.
Maybe I should just went straight across. Okay.
That's it? Okay. Ooh. I look like I have cold sores all over my mouth. You can remove your blindfold now.
I get it off.
Pull it. Hello.
Oh my god. I did that?
Yeah.
I wish my eyes weren't so blurry.
Hi.
Oh
Look
my
at my eyebrows.
I was all the way up there.
Whoa.
Is that too tight?
Nope. Snug.
You're not gonna be able to see for the longest time when I get it off.
Oh no. I'm breathing it in.
I'm wrapping your head with a band-aid. Can you see?
No. My eyelids are shut tight because of this. Okay.
You just grabbed my boob.
Oops.
Okay. That's the bottle of this.
Is there a wand on it?
Yep. The wand's already in your hand in this one.
The wand's in this hand?
Yeah, do you want me to hold this so you
Oh.
can put it on your finger instead of my face, or are you going to put it on
I'm
my
gonna
face?
put it on your face.
Okay. I have big eyeballs.
This is hard. Oh god. I'm already doing it with my mouth open.
Was my mouth open?
I don't know.
Okay, next I'll do the tinted moisturizer. Why is this so hot? I'll squeeze it into your hand. Just don't spill it on me.
Okay. Ooh, it's hot.
I know. I don't know. Oh, because it's in my car.
I have to find your face first. Whoa, it's so liquidy.
I think it's going in my eyelashes.
Oopsie. Precision. Okay.
Oh my god. Here's the brush. I'll put it in the color.
Okay. What is this?
That's my thing with all the eyeshadows.
Oh,
That one right there.
this one.
Yeah.
Is this your eyebrow?
I think so.
Wow.
I don't really have eyebrows.
Yeah. Your hair's thin. I'll make it so you have
I have a high arch.
This is hard. How do people do this?
I don't know. Oh!
Am I in it?
Yep, you're digging in it.
Oops! I can't feel it. Okay.
It's an elf, like, felt tip.
I was looking for this. It's open?
Yep.
Is it coming out?
Yep, it's on your fingers.
Oh.
Oh, wow, it's under my eye.
It is?
This is the hardest part.
I can feel your eyeball shaking so much.
Because I'm scared it's going to poke me in the eye.
Worry.
You're under my eye. Oh, no. Oh!
What happened?
It went in my eye. Ow.
Sorry. Did it work?
It worked.
I feel like I can't feel liquid on it though. That's
It's
why I don't like it.
You don't have to push down hard for it to come out. Sorry.
It's the end of your eye.
Ow.
Sorry.
It has a hard tip on it. I already opened it.
Right. I'm making a really concentrated face. I think I'm getting
Oh, you're brushing my eyelid.
Okay. What?
You don't even have the brush on my eyelashes, you just have the stick part. You have the stick on my face. You still have the stick on my face.
Oh man, where's the freaking brush?
Ow! There it is. I got all
I feel like
those.
I'm in preschool. I need
feel
my
like
fingers.
you're-
Oh no!
um,
Clean. You were doing a little gentle. You gotta go like this.
my eye.
I can feel your apple. Okay. I have a berry. I have a berry pear that will match your.
Is it a long one?
Yeah.
How do you get it open?
Yeah. I hope that's coming out.
I think it did.
Okay.
Oh my god.
I don't know another way to do it without making it go for Is it coming out? Is it coming out?
Yep.
It is? Okay.
Mhm.
Laughing, you're making your smile bigger. Your lips bigger, I mean.
No, it's making that big.
Can I reveal?
Yep.
Oh! I can't see! Why is it so bright out? Wait, I'm blinded! Oh my god, I really can't see. Oh, damn light!
Look at my eyes.
That one! Oh, I thought your lip was over here. Okay, so that was the blindfolded makeup challenge, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thumbs up if you want to see more videos with Mal. But she's always in my vlogs, so definitely check out my vlogs, and leave a comment below letting me know what you think, and we will talk to you soon. Bye!
Bye.